Hello guys, and welcome to another video from To Travel. In this video, I'll be taking you on a tour to Misty Mountains, where I'm going to ride a toboggan. It will be my first time, so I want you to come with me. Let's go have some fun. Hey guys, check this out. I'm here at Misty Mountains and I've just purchased this ticket for the toboggan ride. Let's go get our ride. Hey my brother, how are you? I'm here for this thing.
Hey. Okay. This is the brake lever. Push forward to go, slow towards it to brake.
Okay, I'm allowed to slow down, like to pull the brake.
Just keep it forward, because if it slows down, you're gonna get stuck.
Oh,
So keep it forward, then it moves.
Okay.
Then you're allowed only to brake when touching the signs on top.
Okay.
You can start braking, full brake, when touching the sign, you pull a bit, it slows down. When you're on sign, you pull complete to brake.
No problem.
We're just waiting for the bike to come down then.
So we're waiting for the transport to take us up to the mountain, and then we can come down on our own. I'm really excited, guys.
Some quick facts about the Long Tom Toboggan while we head up the mountain. This is currently the longest toboggan ride in Africa. It is almost 2 kilometers long, and it can reach the speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. The ride from start to finish is approximately 3 minutes, and you don't have to be a guest at Misty Mountain Lodge to ride the Long Tom Toboggan, and you don't need to book the ride either. You can just show up at any time, purchase a ticket, and in a few minutes you'll be having the time of your life, like I'm about to do here.
So mawuyehla uyibambela phambili all the way to go.
Okay.
Amapototuna, you put it after you to slow down. At the end, fully to stop.
I'm all ready. Whoa! such a rush. The wind on my face, my cap almost fall off. I love this place. Wow. Once is not enough. Once is not enough, man. That was nice. So I'm done here riding the toboggan. That was nice. That was I had a blast. Like I don't know, man. Like the wind blowing on my face, and like also the view coming up from the mountains. It's just beautiful. That thing is really fast. You don't need to think about all the mechanical stuff when you are riding that thing. Just look at where you are going. Just look at where you are going and enjoy it. Also, it might help you if you bring some sunglasses and make sure your head is tight. So tell me what you think about this video in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.